how to see old story on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your old Facebook stories, the ones that have already been expired step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now from here, you simply have to tap on archive. And after that, in this page, you simply have to tap on Story Archive, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And here, in this page, it will show you all your past stories, even the ones that have been expired after 24 hours. So here you can scroll through the archive to find the story that you want to view. And here you can simply tap on any story to see it to full screen. Now here you can also share, save or add it to the highlights. And that's it. Now you know how you can easily view all your old Facebook stories anytime. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.